Welcome back. Let's practice simple English sentences together. I'm happy to be here today. I'm happy to be here today. I'm at the park with my friends. I'm at the park with my friends. I'm ready for the English lesson. I'm ready for the English lesson. I have a cup of coffee. I have a cup of coffee. I have a new notebook for school. I have a new notebook for school. I have enough time to practice English. I have enough time to practice English. I speak English with my teacher. I speak English with my teacher. I speak slowly when I learn new words. I speak slowly when I learn new words. I speak with my friends every day. I speak with my friends every day. My brother is at home now. My brother is at home now. She has a beautiful smile. She has a beautiful smile. They speak English at work. They speak English at work. Excellent work. You practiced sentences with be, have, and speak. Keep practicing every day. See you in the next lesson.